Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to import data into Airtable when a record is updated, and this allows us to have up-to-date data in our Airtable base at all times. So today we're going to import currency conversion data whenever a record is updated, but you can use the same approach to import stock prices, crypto prices, and enriched leads, or any other data using any one of DataFetcher's Airtable integrations. So if you head over to the blog that we have on this exact topic on our website, you can find those links there as well with all of those informative tutorials and videos if you prefer to learn that way. So back to our Airtable base. This tutorial is 100% no code, so we're just going to jump straight in to creating our new table. So in order to start, we want to create a rates table. So just up here to the left-hand corner where it says table 1, double click and retitle this as rates. Then select save. Then we're going to go ahead and retitle one of our fields or add a new field as currency. And from the drop down menu, you want to select single select. So you can just go ahead and search for this like so. Then we're going to select save. So now we're going to add the names of any of the currencies that you wish to convert into the currency field. So this needs to be the standard currency abbreviation. So for example, I've inputted BRL, GBP, EUR, and CAD. Now we're going to add our DataFetcher extension. So up here in the top right hand corner, we have the extensions option. We're going to open this up and then select add an extension. Here in the top right hand corner, we have a search bar, so we're going to go ahead and search for DataFetcher like so, select add and select add extension. Now the following screen will load where you can either create a free DataFetcher account or you can simply continue with Google. Now it's time to import our exchange rate data to Airtable. So we can now click on the button that says create your first request. This will bring us to the following screen, and here under this application section, we're going to search for exchangerate.host. So you can actually type this in here and it should just pop up like so. Perfect. And for the endpoint, we want to select convert from one currency to another, and then we're going to retitle this request. So we're going to title this as fetch currency data. Then we'll select save and continue in the bottom right hand corner, and the following screen will load. So now we're going to have a look at this from currency section. All the way over to the right hand side, you want to select the plus symbol so that we can add a reference to our output table. So here we want to make sure that the table reads as rates and the field is currency. Really great. The following will pop up like so, and then you can select confirm, and now you'll see that information has changed in the input box. Great. Now for the to currency, we do want to select the currency that you wish to convert to. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select USD, and then we simply select save and run in the bottom right hand corner. Select continue, and now the response field mapping will load, and this is where we can see which fields we would like to have imported into our Airtable base. So you can either scroll through to decide what you'd like to include, or you can use the find field bar as well to easily search and locate the fields that you'd like to import. So for this example, we do want to import the result field that is already turned on, but if you did want to turn anything on or off, it's just as simple as clicking the little tick box or the box like so. So we will leave this result on, and we want to map this to a new field that will automatically be retitled as result. But from this drop down menu here, we want to select currency like so. Perfect. Then we're going to select save and run in the bottom right hand corner, and as you can see, this field is now being created. Select show output table, and then you can just close this little side view over, and you will now see a new field in your output table called results, which has been populated with the exchange rates in USD for the specified currencies. Really cool. So this is amazing, but at the moment you would need to manually rerun that request anytime that you wanted to update the results. However, we can do this automatically using DataFetcher's trigger feature. Now, the trigger feature allows you to keep all of your records up to date automatically without you having to do a thing. So in order to turn this on, we want to open up our extensions button again, like so, and this will automatically pop up to where we just were with that request that we have already created. So you can open this up like so, and you can see all of those settings that you've already inputted here. Now we'll scroll down until we see this trigger option here, just like so. Now you may not see this if you haven't yet upgraded to a paid data fetcher account. So if you haven't yet done that, I really recommend that you do, so that you have this option available to you for any of your data fetcher requests. And then you can keep all of your records up to date in your Airtable base without you having to do a thing. So once you have upgraded to a paid data fetcher account, you can now come back to this step and you will see this option like so. So select this trigger option in the middle and select authorize. Here we have to give data fetcher access to our Airtable data. Select the I understand let's authorize button and then select add a base. I really suggest that you choose all current and future bases in all current and future workspaces. Then we're going to select grant access. Now more options will appear. So once you see these appear like so, we're going to go ahead and select record updated under this trigger option still. And for the table, we're going to select rates, really simple. Now you can optionally select a view to watch as well if you only want to watch a certain view. However, we are going to leave this set as none for this example. Then we're going to scroll down to see this fields option. Here we can select the fields to watch for changes. So from this example, we're going to select that currency field so that whenever it is updated, we fetch the latest exchange rate for that currency. Finally, we're going to click save in the bottom right hand corner, and whenever a record is updated in our rates table, the latest currency data will be imported and the record will be updated. So you can close this window over, and hopefully today you have learned how to import data into Airtable when a record is updated, and also how to keep those updated automatically. But if you do have any questions, you can always reach out to us here at datafetcher.com, where we also have a full-length blog on this exact topic if you prefer to learn that way as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn today. I really hope you have a good one.